Good morning. Wake up.
Good morning, Mama.
Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am ready.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brushed my teeth.
Did you pack your school bag?
Books are inside.
Where is your water bottle?
It's in my bag.
Wear your shoes properly.
I'm wearing.
Tie your shoelaces tightly.
I tighty.
Are you excited today?
Yeah. Okay. I'm excited.
What will you learn today?
New words.
New words. Listen carefully to your teacher.
Listen carefully.
Be kind to your friends.
Be kind.
Share your things.
Share.
Don't run in the classroom.
I'll walk slowly.
Eat your lunch properly.
I'll eat anything.
Drink water on time.
Yes, Mama.
Do your homework neatly.
I'll do neatly.
Raise your hand before speaking.
I'll raise my hand.
Are you feeling happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Have a great day at school.
Thank you, Mama.
I love you.
I love you too.